Merry
Christmas
from Bros of Biking.
You're an idiot. That's why I was holding the back one. Because I knew that.
What's up, YouTube? Happy Kwanzaa. So this morning was Christmas. Oh, it's not now that you're probably watching it. But got a new rear wheel. Basically, it's a free coaster wheel. And I guess I'll just run through it real quick. Okay, so this is the Federal version 2 free coaster with the KG internals. And I guess Dance Comp only had it in black. And I know probably could get a million people who are saying like, oh, why'd you get Dance Comp? Dance Comp racing sucks. Because probably it may. I have no idea. But usually because they have all the parts. Okay. Spokes are just white Primo spokes. Because they came in white. Good. The rim, G-Sport roll cage rim. And this is in the hard Anno blue. And so far, I like it, even though I haven't really rode it yet. But it's cool, and it's shiny. And when the light hits off the red G-Sport logo, like, kinda, I don't know, looks cool. Yes. The tire is the Aaron Ross P-Light tire. And it's in 2.10. Well, I guess 2.1, but people are stupid and they need that extra zero. It's gonna fall. Inner tube. This is the cheapest 20-inch inner tube they had at Pro Bikes Pittsburgh. Oh yeah, and cheapest because you get a discount. Alright, Pro Bikes Pittsburgh. Check the website. Link is in the description. Good? Yeah.
Point. Where's the description?
From right now, the camera's pointing at me, the description and the crotch. Yeah, like, crotch. Okay, now it's thank you. Now you just made it really awkward.
Back to tire.
Wait, where else were we? Oh, tube. Who cares about tube? Oh, but this tire, like, people are just like, oh, it's just the Aaron Ross tire. You're just going with the crowd. No. It's actually a pretty good tire. But that's the wheel. Federal B2 free coaster. G-Sport roll cage rim. Yep.
What's up, YouTube? Merry Christmas from BrosOfBiking. Here's a Christmas episode just for you. Okay.
Give me an episode. Like, honestly, it's not an episode.
Just do it again. Shut up. Okay. Merry Christmas, YouTube. BrosOfBiking here with a Christmas special, I guess. Okay. What I got from my bike for Christmas-ish ways. I got some new tech brakes. They're better than no brakes. If you ride brakeless, stop it now. It's a good way to get yourself hurt. All you gotta do is get a longer brake cable so you can bar spin, you can tail whip, just do whatever. I got it just because I got a seat grab tail whip. Yeah, seat grab tail whip. Dirk. I like to.
That is mean for retarded people.
Shut up. Okay, just because I like to seat grab bar spin. But I got new grips, the exact same thing as Adam's tire, but he cheated off of me, and I got him first. They've got metal caps because I always like to hit my caps off of trees and off of people.
That was funny.
I was gonna get a new seat because this is busted, but
and it's seat with rails. Just saying.
That's a little busted. It's kind of crappy, but I love it. We got a new thing for you. We got this new GoPro handlebar clampy thingy. This is the new view. I don't have to talk really loudly because you're in the face.
Finally on my bar.
No, you're not.
You actually want to see that though. Shut up.
Got this instead of that thing that we had right here, which was this really ghetto thing where I stuck something right here and then put the GoPro on it, really ghetto, and it made it like wobbly. This will be a lot more stable and it'll give you a cool view. So check out our next YouTube videos because we'll be using it.
Raise, bra.
Yep.
Well, actually, next biking videos, because snowboarding I can't really use it.
Probably. Seven Springs, check it out, description down below.
New Year's Day, we're going to be shredding the Santa's beard in the Alley Terrain Park.
Shut up.
She's
That was out of view. But
I
I got new Black Ops pegs. I broke them in once. They are slippy. They match because they're cute. But I also got these Black Ops chromo spindle with plastic covering. It's a lot more grip than the original pedals that came with the bike. I got a new Flybikes tire. It's a really, really wide tire. I wanted it to be wide because I like to break things. It's just, I wanted to get it wide because whenever I land on it, I would like a solid surface to land on. It's solid and it's gonna stay for.
Sorry, I had to cough.
It's solid and it's gonna stay for a long time. And I had to also get the new brake pads and everything. The brake pads suck. They suck.
You should see my brake pads. Where are they? These are Sierra Sport brake pads.
I had to put them on.
It's not. Shut up, Ben.
Because he messed them up and broke his tire.
Oh, I'll show you that
sometime.
sometime.
Through his tire.
Because I didn't know how to put on brake. Okay. But there's
The
Sierra.
guy gave him a tool to fix them because he said he was retarded and he didn't know what to do with it. And I had to do his tire too.
Well, that's because I'm tired. Okay, it's a Sierra.
And your Nikes suck. Just put them down.
I know, because I can't wear my other Nikes to bike because they're free running shoes. Shut up, Ben! These are Sierra Sport brake pads, and they're reasonably cheap, and they're nice, and they're not like a BMX specific brake pad, but they work real well. Okay.
They're too thin.
Well, they work, and they're comfortable, and they don't squeak.
They're gonna
Ben.
They are gonna squeak,
but they don't squeak.
Oh
crap! New rim.
Yeah, it's gonna squeak.
New rim. It's gonna squeak a lot. It'll be fun.
New snowboard. This is my baby. This was the total of the jacket, which you've seen from our snowboarding video from like weeks ago.
Except it's not on BrosOfBiking. It's on Amarks 102. Which is my personal channel. So link in the description. And where's fingers?
It's right here. Okay, we can't put that.
I'll blur it. No. Actually, I don't know how to blur it.
Yeah, you can't blur it.
What in your crappy editing software here?
Put bacon strips on it.
Yeah, no.
Okay. Well, this is my new snowboard. With a total of the snowboard, the bindings, the stomp pad, the everything, the boots, the jacket. Shut up! Oh my god. You don't stop talking.
I should just start texting you what you to say.
No, shut up. Okay. Stop. Okay, don't say anything. Just play it. Okay. Getting back on topic. This is my new snowboard. Kirby. And with a total, counting the board, the bearings.
Bearings? Yeah, wrong sport.
Skateboard now, okay. Binding.
There you go, Ben.
Counting binding, board, boots, jacket is over $1,000. But this is my Rome. It's called the Reverb. It's rocker camber hybrid. What are you calling me?
You need help, Ben?
Oh, I don't even have your number in my phone.
Tell them about... You hung up on me?
It's a rocker camber hybrid, which I would strongly suggest because with rocker, you have all this flow that you just don't know what to do with. And I chose the widest stance because I don't want to go with the crowd and do the shorter stance. I don't know, the guy said it, but I think it looks weird and stupid. Got United and Rome bindings. got the Roam board, the reverb, it's 54. It's really, really nice. That's actually me.
I'm not texting you.
It's brand new. The board was about 350. The bindings were about 170. My boots were about 170. I got the Scouts, which have the ball bindings. And,
Who makes your boots?
DC. And it's been awesome. As I said, rock and camber, you can't go wrong because it's got best of both worlds. Instead of it being like a full curve, like that's rocker, and then that's camber, I'm just like, woo, I feel high. But, if you can see, it's wavy, which makes it extra fun. And then, I'll let you get a close-up view on everything. Those are my bindings. Real easy and everything to get in and out of. It's been nice. It's treated me well. Haven't really crashed that hard. But, I've got a really spiky thumb pad, which I've grown to hate. It's a little sharp for my liking. I cut myself the first time I put it on, and it really hurts. So just get one with like extra, I guess, height, just not spike. Rhyming. But
You're a poet and you didn't know it.
I would say no on this, can't get it off. If I do, I'll tell you.
Use
Love
a
the board, shut up. Love the board, love the bindings, love the boots. It's great, it's better than Adam's.
No.
100%.
Oh. Goodbye. Happy holidays, BrosOfBiking.